Equation of motion by graphical method. This from O till A is the initial velocity u. From here a body starts, reach a position B, then it comes down from here, this is C. From here we have dropped a perpendicular which is equals to D. From U it will reach to its final velocity V. This is the area covered. So A position is the initial velocity. After time t, they have taken u to V. This position is considered as C, where the final velocity V is there. We have to calculate a graphical method to find out the acceleration, displacement and velocity. Three equations are there, we have to calculate. Now acceleration A is equals to BD upon AD. Change in velocity upon change in time. What is BD? BD means EB minus ED. What is BD? EB minus ED upon what is AD? It is OE. So A is equals to, in place of EB, what we can write? V, because it's from here till here, it is equal to EB is equals to OC. So here we can write V minus ED is U, because ED is equals to OA. So here I am writing OA is equals to U, OC is equals to V, OA is equals to ED, whereas OC is equals to EB upon OE is equals to time taken. So AT is equals to V minus U, or we can say V is equals to U plus AT. This is called as the first equation of motion. It is called as the first equation of motion. So from the acceleration, from the slope in the velocity time graph always represented a acceleration. Which graph is there? Velocity time graph. Now if we have to calculate the displacement, what we have to calculate? The displacement. So the area representing the area of a trapezium, means area of this whole, all the objects from A to B below up till OE represent the displacement. So S is equals to area of trapezium. Which trapezium? OEBA. OEBA. That will represent the area covered in a velocity time graph, always represent a displacement. So S is equals to area of trapezium, means area of triangle ADB, plus area of rectangle OEDA. So S is equals to half AD into BD. AD into BD. Is this clear or not? Plus area of rectangle, it is OE into ED. Is this clear? Now in place of BD, what we can write? A into AD. A into AD. So S is equals to OE into ED plus half AD into A into AD. AD is equals to OE. So what we can write? S is equals to, what is OE? What is OE? T. What is ED? ED is equals to U. It is half. What is AD? It is OE. T into A into T. So what is S? S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This is second equation of motion. That will be considered as second equation of motion. Is this clear? Any problem in this? No. Now the third, again the displacement. S is equals to area of trapezium OEBA. What is the formula? Half sum of parallel sides into height. What is the sum of parallel sides? What is the sum of parallel sides? S is equal to half sum of parallel side means EB plus OA into height is, these are the sum of parallel sides, OA plus EB. Is this clear or not? Whole upon displacement is how much? OE. Any doubts in this? Now in place of OA, what we can write? ED. So it is half EB plus, in place of OA, what we can write? ED. यहाँ लिख, here it is ED into OE. Is this clear? One more thing, from this first diagram, what is the value of OE? From the first equation, OE is equals to EB minus ED whole upon A. So here we can write half EB plus ED into EB minus ED whole upon A. So it can be written as 1 upon 2A EB whole square minus ED whole square. What is EB? EB is V. What is ED? It is U. So it will be represented as 2AS. 2A is multiplied by S is equals to V square minus U square, or we can say V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. This is considered to be third equation of motion. So from the graph we have calculated three equations of motion. Number first is V is equal to U plus AT. Second is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And the third one is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS using the graphs. These are the very important things, but in place of acceleration, if there is retardation, then it will become minus all the three equation. And if we are using acceleration due to gravity, then it will become, in place of A there will be G, minus G if the body is moving in upward direction, and in place of S there will be H, which is representing the height. So three equations of motions are important. Better you learn it and better you find out how you have to calculate this by using a graph. Okay.